Hello, Lovie Tribe. Today we're going to have some awesome cleaning motivation. My house is dusty and dirty and I need to get some things done before I take a hike with my mom this morning. So we are going to get as many things as we can done today before I have to leave. And then Friday's video will be the things that I didn't get to today. So let's get cleaning. Our house was extremely dusty with the furnace running a lot now because it is very cold. So I dusted everything I can think of, and even things that I don't normally dust on a regular basis. I even take some cleaning spray to my dining room table. I couldn't believe how dusty that was. So I'm going to dust, vacuum, and then we'll move into another room.
Your best kept secrets underground. Your hand on my chest, my heart beats for you. I keep my arms out and hold you like before. We can fly away from here. We can stay close, my dear. Swept up and away from all our fears. How are we supposed to know on our own? Together we can go
So when I was vacuuming, I was noticing the amount of dust that was accumulating all down here by my fireplace, by my husband's surround sound, and underneath of like his speakers and stuff. Now on top of that is all of our equipment that run our TV and all of his speakers and stuff. I can tell all of that really needs to be moved and dusted underneath of, but I don't want to touch any of that because there's wires, and if I pull his wires and disconnect his surround sound, he probably will die. So I need to have him here and move all of that so I can get that dusted properly. But for today, at least I got all the stuff that I could see. Another thing I really like to do is use this Febreze pet odor eliminator on my furniture and rugs after I vacuum and stuff, because my vacuum essentially picks up the smell of my dog, and I feel like it just like perfumes the air. I've even tried putting like a dryer sheet in my vacuum and it just doesn't seem to do it. So I always use Febreze after I'm done. One of the things that I really want to do is I want to buy, well, either buy or rent a rug cleaner. And I don't want to use it for my rugs though. I really want to use it for my furniture. My furniture is about 5 years old and it really needs to be cleaned. If anybody has a good tip on that, please leave it down in the comments. Okay, I'm going to move into the kitchen now. My kitchen really needs a really good deep clean. Like my refrigerator needs cleaned out. I'd like to reorganize my cabinets and stuff. I don't have the time to do that today because I am going out with my mom in late morning, like early afternoon, to take a hike. So I'm going to get as much as I can done today. Of course, I always have dishes. My counters always need cleaned. I'm really hoping that I can move my island out. Everything needs to be vacuumed, swept. I really need to mop the floors. I would like to put a new rug down in the kitchen, just some things like that. But the deep cleaning, I think, will be a totally separate video. Today, I'm going to get as much as I can done. And in Friday's video, I'm going to be working in my office. My office is not going to be in this video, but I really need to clean my office, and I really need to do some desk organization and craft organization in my office. So that will probably be Friday's video, and maybe the beginning of next week, because I'll probably do it over the weekend when my husband's here and he can move his speakers and such. I will be doing deep cleaning. So those videos will be coming soon. If you need that motivation to work in hot spots in your house, because over the winter the hot spots seem to intensify because everybody's in the house more. So I totally understand that those hot spots in your home that drive you crazy, that need to be touched. But it's like you need to set a certain time away to do it because all the other stuff still needs to be done. We will get to before spring hits. So let's get these dishes done and get what I can done in the kitchen. Thanks so much for watching, Lovies. I hope this gave you all the cleaning motivation that you need. And remember, I'll be back with deep cleaning and office organization video probably on Friday. So make sure you come back. Ring that bell if you haven't subscribed and become part of the Lovie Tribe. I'll be talking to you guys very soon. I love you, but Jesus loves you more. Bye, guys.